masila ekhaya siyazabalaza. Amongst us abazabalaza kunalabo abatholwa amabhunu basetshenziswa amabhunu against us, abasithengisayo but pretend to be ama-comrade amongst us. Wena uhleli nomuntu umsharela yonke information kanti yena ebusuku uyayithatha le information uyoyireporta somewhere une-handler yakhe. Lo muntu uphile naye until ufike ku-level ukuthi uyamtrusta uhambe uye naye exile kanti uhamba nomdlwembe uye exile. Mawufika le because ama-interrogations wase-exile awafani nama-interrogations besiwenza thina la awethu awiki, but awangali you are being interrogated by people who have been trained by countries like our Soviet Union, the Germans, your KGBs and stuff like that, who knows intelligence, who know how to grow, how to dig information from umuntu. You understand? So most of the people who were detained by ANC were people who came there for the purpose of destroying ANC.